Hey y'all, we're gonna try something new right here. I've been wanting to try this for a long time, never have, but we're gonna do it today. Boudin Burgers. You say, what is Boudin? Boudin is a Cajun sausage. It's got rice, a little bit of this, a little bit of that. It started out years ago when you'd kill a hog, you would make Boudin. You'd take giblets and pieces of this and that. So what we're gonna do is take this and mix it with some ground meat. Some Boudin and ground meat. We're gonna mix it up, put a few other things in there, and we're gonna make a Boudin burger. Hey y'all, I got to show y'all this. It's part of the Cajun food, is mixing things together. That's how gumbo started actually. Now this is your Boudin. Usually what it is at the, all week, whatever grandma cooked, she put it in the refrigerator, whatever was left over. So at the end of the week, you mix it all together, and that's actually how gumbo started. It's just a mixture of everything. And we're gonna skin this thing, we're gonna open it up, and this is your Boudin. Look at that, y'all. Look at that. Oh, is that pretty looking? See that? Now that is full of seasoning, flavor, everything. You name it. We're gonna cut this another one. All right. And that's part of the Cajun cooking, is using what you got, and you could take a little bit, and especially with rice. You add rice to it. We big rice eaters down here. And the rice just opens it up to where you can feed a lot of people. And that's what a lot of your Cajun cooking is. It's taking a little bit and making a whole lot. Let me show y'all right here. Ground beef. And we're gonna cut this right here. Just like that. And gonna drop it in there. Now they fool you sometimes, put that little white thing in there. Okay, it's not there. What we're gonna need right now is kind of a binder for this stuff. So we're gonna use breadcrumbs first. Put some breadcrumbs in there. Y'all seen that? Regular old breadcrumbs. Then we're gonna get one of these chicken eggs. We're gonna broke it. Now once we get our egg going in here, we're gonna mix it all in. We're gonna break this Boudin up. Yeah, the egg is just like a binder. It holds the meats together. And we're mixing this meat pretty good here, y'all. Gonna mix it, oh, you could just about eat it like this. It smells so good. All right, y'all, we got this looking pretty good here, y'all. Look at that, it's all mixed in real good. All right, y'all. First thing we're gonna get over here and drop some oil on here. Look at there. I don't need a whole bunch, but you need a little bit. Got this big old Whopper spreader right here. Okay, now we're gonna ball up some meat, some little patties right here. A lot of times when you're making these hamburger balls like this, it will stick to your spatula. I'm gonna show you a little trick. Drop it on there. Now I'm letting that sit a minute. Letting it sit on purpose. Let that sit on that burner just a minute. I'm gonna show y'all something pretty cool. I just turned that heat up on here, but watch this. We've got another ball. Drop it on there. Now if I was to stick my spatula straight on there right now, it would stick. I guarantee you it would stick. All right, y'all, we're gonna flip this first burger and look at it. Oh yeah, it's looking good. Flip the second one. It's looking good. Third one, it's looking good. Now, what we're gonna do is take this. Now that we've kind of burned them in a little bit, watch this. See how they kind of cooked a little bit? Now it's not gonna stick. We're gonna get us a good smash burger right there. Look at that. Hey, once you get it to this level, get you some of this good whiskey burger. It is super good. I like a lot of seasoning. Some people don't, so I'm gonna put a little. We can always add some. I mean, it don't take this long. Once you got these things thinned out like this, watch. See how that does? Flip it. Flip it. Flip it. That's gonna be some pretty burgers. Now while we're waiting on that, we're gonna get a little butter. All right, y'all, we're just gonna drop a little butter right here. See how I'm doing the up and down? I know what I'm doing, y'all. Might not look like it, but I do know what I'm doing with butter. Now I'm gonna give me some hamburger buns, which I have right here. We're gonna break these in half. Look at that. I like them toasted. It just gives them a different texture, a different flavor, and they're good. They're good like this. Ooh, y'all, these buns are ready. They're hot. Wow, wuzzies. Woohoo! That was some hot bread there, y'all. All right, we're gonna set them there just a second. I like to flip them one more time just to make sure. Oh yeah. Y'all thinking we through, but we ain't. Watch this, y'all. This is what we're gonna do next. We're gonna get one of these chicken eggs, put it right there. We're gonna nut and put it right there. Ooh-wee. Shoot, I'll get one more for good luck. What y'all think? All right, y'all, we're gonna flip this one more time, and as I flip it, I want to show y'all something. I'm flipping it so it'll be hot. The reason I want it hot, because we're gonna put some cheese on here and let it melt down. I mean, we got American cheese right here, but hey, you can use whatever kind of cheese you want. All right, this is gonna be some super cheeseburgers, y'all. Hey, y'all, I'm fixing to have to flip these eggs over to the other side, but that's all right. We got that happening. These eggs are done released, so let's turn them. Now, I like to smash my eggs a little bit like that. Cause we're gonna go ahead and cut all these off right now. Every one of them off. We're gonna come over here and get our buns. Okay? Oh, this is where the magic comes in, y'all. But there's nothing like a bun that's been on the Blackstone. It just changes the whole everything. All right, y'all, we got that. Now watch this. Now this is a meat lover's burger here. All right, you're thinking we through, but we ain't. Yes. We got all our burners turned off. Look at that. That is what you call a Cajun Boudin burger. And y'all, sure as I tell you, it ain't gonna get no better than this. Top of the line right there. Top of the line. All right, y'all, we're gonna cut this thing and I'm gonna show y'all something. All the way to the bottom. Hard getting through all this pretty cheese and stuff, but look at there. If you want to put ketchup, mustard, mayonnaise, lettuce, tomatoes, you can. I don't. It just don't get no better than this. This is gonna be some good eating right here, I guarantee you that. Oh my goodness, y'all. Oh my goodness. Sometimes you put stuff like this together and it don't work, but sometimes you do and it does.